Speaking of points, limits describe the behavior of a function as it approaches a specific point. If you're not confused by that definition, you're probably like 4 steps ahead. But for the rest of us, think of it as a point on a graph that when the line gets closer and closer to it, it can start acting weird. For example, why don't you try to evaluate this function? You can't because it equals 0, which means we can't find out what the line does at x equals 2. What we do instead is that we find out what it does as it approaches 2, aka the limit. In this case, we can then plug in a number that is just over 2, which then gives us 4.1, and to prove we're right, we use a limit which gives us the number 4. Now, when we have a function that equals 0, it becomes discontinuous. Continuous functions are functions that can be drawn without lifting the pencil of the paper, aka they won't have any holes or gaps that break its flow. Discontinuous functions, which have the 3 states whole, jump, and infinite, are the total opposite. They couldn't think of anything worse than to stay in flow.